Welcome back, everyone. This is another car I bought from the auction from Mannheim. I had this car delivered on Friday morning. Today's Monday. I didn't get a chance to do a video about the car. To be honest, I do feel a bit sorry that I bought this car because I paid a little bit too much for it and I don't have a huge margin in, and I just hope that I'm not gonna lose my ass off. It's a pretty good spec. It's the dynamic Tom Sport Tourer, something like that. It's a pretty smart car, to be honest with you. The bodywork, well, it's grade 3. The bodywork is not bad. It's got a scuff here, which I think I can sand it off and then just polish it. I hope that does the job. The alloys are okay. Car is very dirty. I'm not sure if you can see in the video, but it's absolutely filthy. It's got a few scratches here and there. I'm sure I can fix this one as well because it's not through the paint. I think it's just in the clear lacquer. Back's got a few scratches here and there. Nothing crazy. A funny thing, it took me a while to figure out how to open the boot because I thought it opens from here, as you can see this line, but no, actually open the boot from here. So I was keep pressing this bit because that's how you open on the other Renault I've got. It was not opening. I was thinking like, fucking hell, it's broken. But it's not bad. It's got all the floor mats in there and a few spare ones. It's got that kit for the tires. This side is not bad either. I think it's gonna look really nice after a polish. It's got this bit here as well. I don't think I can polish this out through the paint, sorry, through the lacquer. It does need some tires, which is not ideal. It had an MOT done not long ago. It had two advisories. One was for two tires that are low, and the rear bearings are a bit noisy, which I didn't notice, so hopefully that's not going to get picked up and I do another MOT on it. There's the interior. It's not bad. Can wet back the seats, maybe just use a drill brush and the brain dead carpet cleaner. It's got sunroof, panoramic roof. It's got sat nav, which works. It drives alright, but my other problem is I think the clutch is a bit too heavy. I'm not sure if I'm too fussy or it's heavy. I don't know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the car quickly to Mr. Clutch, and I'll ask them to have a look at it. Now we're gonna quickly go over the report. I couldn't find any service history with the car. It does have quite a few invoices, so it looks like it's changed tires quite often. Sorry about that. I don't know what the reason is. The engine sounds alright. God, I hate these keys. They're horrible. And the button is there. It took me a while to find the button. Yeah, so I already did a test drive. It drives alright. Couldn't find any issues. Steering wheel is fine. I mean, it's got a clean show check silver. so it shouldn't be any issues with the car really. Let's have a quick look at the report. So that's the car. It's got quite a few bits. Reversing camera, sat nav, aircon, Bluetooth, cruise control, electric sunroof, panoramic roof, radio CD, rear parking sensors. It seems like people just love cars with rear parking sensors. I've noticed that that's a must on every car. Yeah, so we can see that those tires are quite low, so I'll get those changed. Now my plan was to buy the car for £2,000 and retail it for 3,500. So that would have given me a £1,500 margin. But instead, I paid 2,300. So I shouldn't have done that, because with that £300, I could have done the servicing, the tires, and everything else. So that would have been covered. So like I said on the previous MOT, it was advisory 2 tires and the rear bearings. Sorry about that, guys. And I paid for the car 2,300, so it was 2,720 with the fees, and £148.63 I paid for delivery. And now the car owes me 2,868. So that means I've got left in this car £632, which is not ideal, considering that I pay about £150 for a full service, then about £60 per tire, that's another 120, then about £100 for the warranty, another £50 for the MOT, and hopefully doesn't need anything. The brakes look new, to be honest with you. I think they've been changed recently. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna make about £300 on this car, £200, but I'm gonna put it on fair price. So I'll probably put it up for 3,995. So that's gonna give me another £500 in there, because I've been looking in my area for cheap cars to buy off Facebook Marketplace or Auto Trader from private sellers, but I couldn't find anything good around this price. So probably it's gonna be a good seller. So I'll probably be able to sell it for a little bit more, because whoever is after a car under £4,000, they're not gonna find a decent one with warranty, with a 50-point inspection check and everything and on the car. So when the customer buys the car, it doesn't need to spend any money on it. It's gonna be a really good car for someone. Right, this is the list with the damage it had, the trim. So it's nothing major. As you can see, it's a grade 3. And it passed every check. Now my only issue is the clutch. That's a bit heavy. I don't know if I'm a bit too fast. I don't know. I'll get the guys to check it. I mean, I hope they're not gonna say, oh yeah, it does need a clutch, just to make some extra money. But I mean, if it does need one, I'll probably put a claim with Mannheim, because it's not on their report saying that the clutch is heavy. But I don't even know. Maybe the cars I've been driving in the last few days are the clutch is maybe a bit too light, and I got used to those, and now I'm a bit fussy. I don't know. I'll try and get used to it, to the car. I'll drive it around for a little bit, and then try to get used to it. But that's it pretty much. So it's got a pretty good report. Mechanically, I don't have anything to worry about. It needs a good clean, in and out, and it's all done. So stay tuned for my next videos. I will make a video about this car, when I prep the car and how I prep the car. And yeah, stay tuned. Also, by the way, I've got a new Instagram. I'm gonna put the my Instagram account at the beginning, at the ending of this video. You can follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll catch up on the next one. Bye.